This is the project we created in our last video. Let us make some changes to this project. This screen you are seeing right now, which is a home screen.js, it is the screen for the Get Started tab at the bottom. To make changes to the screen, let's open Screens folder and open home screen.js file. I'm changing this text over here and I'm changing it to some other text and save. You can see the change here. I am reverting the change back to the original text and saving it again, and you can see the change. Now this is the home screen, and you can see there is one more tab, which is resource tab. So for making changes to this screen, we can open link screen from the screens folder and we can make changes here. But I am not making any change right now. I am closing this. Now let's have a look at the bottom tab navigator and do some changes to the tabs. For that, I am opening navigation folder and open bottom tab navigator.js. Here we can make changes to these tabs appearance. This part is for get started section and this is for the resource section. We can change this title to home and save, and you can see the title changed to home. We can also change the icon here. I'm changing it to home and saving. It is changing now. Yeah, so I'm using iron icons for these icons. So let's go to ironicons.com and we can see the names for the icons here. So I just searched home, just choosing the right name for the icon. Coming back, we can add a couple more tabs. For that, I'm copying this this element and I'm pasting it twice, and I'm changing the title for this to notifications. I'm also changing the icon to globe, and I'm also changing the name to notifications. I'm also changing the other tab to profile, title to profile, name to person. This MD represents material design. Okay, so I'm also changing the name. Now let us save and see the change. Okay, let us save it. Refreshing. There is some error. Okay, I forgot. Okay, I made a mistake, so I changed it to profile. Okay, now you can see 4 tabs here: resources, notifications, and profile. You can see these 2 tabs screens are same because we are rendering the same component for these 3 tabs. For the home it is different, for the other 3 tabs it is same, so it is same. But you can see the title here is root because we didn't specify the uh, title for the header. So we can add the title for these 2 screens. We already have titles for the first two screens, so we can copy and paste the code, and we can just change the case to profile and notifications, and return the header titles as notifications and profile. Now you can see these titles has been changed. Next, we can add screens to these tabs, notifications and profile. Now it is using the same screen of the resource tab, so we need to add couple more screens. For that, we can use any of these screens code, and we can make changes to the code. There is some problem. So I'm going to open the screens folder, and I'm choosing link screen. Not link screen. Let me open home screen.js, and I'm copying the code, and I'm creating a new file, and I'm pasting the code here, and I'm saving it as notification screen.js. The screens folder, save. I need to change the name of the file and name of this component to notification screen. I'm saving. I'm also changing the code. We don't want all these codes. We can remove all these views. We can just keep one text saying this is the notification screen. So let's remove all other codes from this screen. Now the notification screen is ready. Next, we can import this notification screen to bottom tab navigator. And we can add this component to the tab. And I'm saving it. There is an error, it is saying home screen. Okay. I think something else is there called home screen. I need to remove it. So let me search it. Home screen. Okay, here it is. So I'm removing this also and saving it. Okay, now here it is. There is no view, that's why it is a blank screen. So I am adding text and saying this is the notification screen. And I'm moving it to center. So I'm adding style, align text to center. Okay. So notification screen is completed. Now we can create profile screen, same as we created notification screen. Now the profile screen is also ready. So we created 4 tabs and 4 screens. This is the bottom tab navigation. Thanks for watching my video. See you guys.